Well, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I'm going to pretty much call this project done. The Furby that I'm focusing on for my Unitree Go2 Pro is this one here, because it's got the more elaborate eyes and all, and the prototype was just simply a platform to see if I could do what Austin had done and then embellish it a little bit further. And well, I think it came out pretty good. Here, let me apply power to this guy, and now the one thing that's a problem is the ears. I still have been kind of fighting to find a good solution for the ears. The first ones I did were okay. Let's let him finish his little talk here. What I did have an issue with is trying to get some information on the accelerometer. Let me turn him off, because we're not going to be able to talk here with him on. Now I forgot where. Oh yeah, we were talking first of all about the ears, and then the accelerometer. The ears that I originally were going to use just turned out to be a little bit too massive. The bulk to all pivot off of one servo shaft, even with metal gears, was just a little bit too much, I think, on the main robot, especially when it's walking, because it's a pretty heavy robot. It's about 35 pounds, and it walks quite heavily, and the ears were having a hard time dealing with the jostling of the robot and the random sketch that I had done for the servos to move. So I kind of backed away from that and went to these, which are simply the ear skin, totally different ear skin, and the servo, and one servo. I believe this is going to work much better as the Furby's getting bounced around on the robot, but only only time will tell. Now the second problem that I'm still going to be kind of scratching my head on, I can't get any literature on the accelerometer that was used in these guys, and the problem with that is if he's not being moved, it's going to go to sleep. And also, because of the way the logic board is mounted, it's in the wrong position for what the robot, or I mean what the Furby doll normally orients itself in. And the servo, which sits right there, or the accelerometer that sits right there, thinks it's on its back or on its nose, so it's not the normal plane that it's expecting to see. So it acts a little odd, but I don't care. That's not that important. What's important is just to put something on the Go2 while I'm out walking it, and hopefully, get some giggles and make the people that have been kind of fearful of it a little more comfortable. And again, I hope this does it. It's amazing how people can be intimidated by things they don't understand. So let's turn him on. I'm also going to be working on the sketch for this particular version of the ears. I got it set. Okay, he's gonna wake up. I think that's because of the placement of the main logic board. But other things, are working here when I pet him on his head. The sides don't seem to get too much response. Okay, a little bit. The beak gets the best response, because that's what makes him. Oh, see, he's already gone to sleep. I was thinking about things that I could use to vibrate the motherboard to get him to wake up, but I'm hoping actually the movement of the main robot is going to be enough jostling to keep him awake. But are you hungry? Hey, Furby. Are you hungry? You can tell when he's eating because food flies across his eyes. What was that? Say that again, Furby. All right. Well, this was just going to be a short video to kind of put this project to bed, because I have kind of spent more time on him than I had planned. I think that's because I worked on one version and then thought, I don't like the way the eyes look. And hey, why am I even doing this when the Furby Connect's got the better LCD panels, and I could go that approach. And I think, yeah, this definitely turned out much better, and that's the way I'm going to go. So here, let me finish this and we're going to go put him on the robot. Okay, so here, oops, let's give it another shot here. All right, let's turn her around and so I think there's going to be enough vibration, because you can hear how she thumps. I mean, she's staying on there pretty good, and I kind of got to admit, the vibration seems to be enough to keep it awake. Let's see if it goes to sleep. If it does, then I'm hoping this keeps people from getting too freaked when they see the robot when I'm out for a walk, because I haven't had a huge problem, but there are a few people here in the park that get spooked by it. So as I said, I'm going to consider this project done, because it is okay, she went to sleep. Well, doesn't seem to be waking him up yet. All right. Well, I'm going to have to work on somehow making sure that it responds to movement in some fashion. Because I don't want it shutting off, and I don't want to have to keep pushing a physical button to wake her up. So, anyways, it does look a little less foreboding when it comes marching. The next thing will be when the weather gets better. I'll paint the ears and take Bobby out for a walk, and hopefully, you know, it'll be well received. Anyways, you all have yourself a good day, and I'll see you on the Chariot build, which I'm going to get back onto and finish that thing up. I'll see you later. Bye.